What is up, YouTube? Today, we're just pounding some spinach real fast, getting this on the vlog. It's great Lent, so we're just eating a lot of spinach, honestly. And we should be eating spinach every day anyway. You take a sieve, get the water out, then you put it in a bowl, fork, olive oil, just a little bit, and lemon, and then you put some pepper on there. And that's it. Peace out.